Item number 1, a letter from Raul C. Sagrado requesting for an endorsement of the sand and gravel permit at Barangay Ibulmod, Brooks Point, Palawan.
The said measure be referred to the Committee on Land Use chaired by Honorable Dugasan.
Item number 2, a request resolution from Barangay Council of Barangay Pangbulian for the adoption of their local expenditure program from January 1 to December 31, 2026.
I move that this measure be referred to the Committee on Finance chaired by Honorable Lacanilaw.
Item number 3, a letter from the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., requesting an authority to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Brooks Point National Senior High School, represented herein by its secondary school principal for Mr. Edgardo C. Mucha, for the work immersion partnership for the senior high school program for the duration of school year 2026 to 2027.
The said measure be referred to the Committee on Education.
Item number 4, a letter from Ken I. Camarin, Pollution Control Officer of Prince Hypermart of Brooks Point, requesting for an endorsement to facilitate the processing of their set clearance.
The said measure be referred to the Committee on Environment chaired by Honorable Dugasan.
Item number 5, a letter from the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., requesting an authority to enter into and execute on behalf of the municipal government of Brooks Point a mutual deed of cancellation of deed of donation and confirmation of return of real property with the Department of Education, School Division of Palawan of 5,000 square meter portion identified as Lot 5G 4C, forming part of Lot number 5C, Plan number PSD 4B 004625, portion of Lot 5, DRC PCS 16957, covered by Transfer Certificate of Title number 065-2020-00306, situated in Barangay Puligay and Maratabon, Barangay Tugtog, Municipality of Brooks Point, Province of Palawan.
Mr. Chair, before the referral, can we recognize the...
Yes, Councilor Jaja, recognize po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask the Secretary to compare the one requested by the local chief executive last session and the one we requested now? Because we have already passed a measure pertaining to those matters.
Mr. Secretary, please double check na lang po. At saka, in-inform po last time ni Councilor Jaja, yung maratapon na yun.
Yes, not to
Include.
to
Donation.
Also, Mr. Chair, if the said communication is endorsed by the LCE as urgent matter,
Pero same numbers po ng doon sa previous yes po. 06
item number 6, a draft resolution introduced by Honorable Hayati B. Dugasan, entitled, "A Resolution Strongly Urging the Department of Public Works and Highways and its respective contractors implementing infrastructure projects such as road widening and other public works within the municipality of Brooks Point to source all construction aggregates, fill materials, and gravel exclusively from legal committees within the municipality."
I move that the said measure be referred to the author herself, Mr. Chair.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, we are now on item number 8, committee report. The good gentle lady from Barangay Pampilan would like to take the floor. Kindly recognize Honorable Dugasan, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Hayati Dugasan, you recognize po.
Ay, meron ako. Robert, please. You can use the record sa'yo. Robert, please sa'yo.
Thank you, Mr. Filterado, presiding officer. Good morning, everyone. Committee report 2026-89. Subject number 1, a letter from Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr. endorsing for appropriate action on the resolution notifying the list of portion of municipal property located at Barangay Maasin, covered by tax declaration number 009-0321, and authorizing the undersigned to sign the corresponding contract of lease retroactively covering the period of October 2017 to October 19, 2027 of Municipality of Brooks Point. Number 2, an ordinance regulating river dredging and desalting operation within the Municipality of Brooks Point, requiring valid quality permit for all operators, establishing a monitoring task force, and imposing penalties for the unauthorized activities. Number 3, an ordinance governing the renewal of quality permits within the Municipality of Brooks Point and for other related purposes. That's all. Since everybody has a copy, recommendation number 1, for subject agenda number 1, to conduct another committee meeting since the proponent to occur during the initial hearing and so proper presentation and discussion before other legislative action. Recommendation number 2 and 3 for subject number 2 and 3 following the integration of all proposed amendments and recommendation made by the resource agencies and local authorities. The committees recommend that this measure be approved and adoption and third reading during the next regular session of the summer environment. That's all, Mr. Presiding Officer. I move for the adoption of committee report number 2026-18.
Second.
Thank you, Councilor Dugasan.
Mr. Chair, we are now on the calendar of business. There being no agendas. Calendar for convenience as well as the business for today. Close those two items and move on now to the unassigned. The gentleman from Barangay would like to take the floor, Mr. Chair. Under unassigned business, kindly recognize the Makatilaw.
Councilor Nakanilaw, recognize po.
Thank you to our authority floor leader as well as to our temporary presiding officer. This is in regards with the local expenditure program of Barangay Pamagilian. I am seeking tayo po na ito po ipayagan maging urgent matter. Kasi na,
Okay. Councilor Lacanela requesting emergency of local expenditure. Okay. Please proceed, Councilor Lacanela.
thank you to our presiding officer. Based din po kasi sa pinasa na papel ng Barangay Pamagilian, I already saw that there's already a note from our budget officer. Dumaan na rin po sa kanila to. At hindi na po sana tayo magpapag-meeting sa first day. And can I move for the approval of the local expenditure program? I move for the adoption and approval of the local expenditure program of Barangay Pamagilian for calendar year 2026.
Second.
Thank you to our presiding officer and police.
Thank you, Councilor Lacanela.
Mr. Chair, still an unassigned, the gentle lady from Barangay. Okay. Mr. Chair, rather, may I take the floor to sponsor a measure from Committee on Education, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Councilor Rodriguez.
Mr. Chair, this is with regards to the communication letter from our LCE. He is requesting an authority to enter into a MOBA from Brooks Point National Senior High School para magkaroon po tayo dito ng work immersion po, Mr. Chair. Wala naman po ako nakikita ng monetary application ang ating LCU, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
And this representation would like to request to treat this matter as urgent po, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Rodriguez requesting for the urgency po. Second. Okay.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair. Since ito ay work immersion lang naman po sa ating munisipyo, may I now proceed to the approval
Yes
and
po.
adoption, Mr. Chair.
Yes po.
I move for a resolution authorizing our LCE, Honorable Cesario R. Benedico Jr., to enter into a MOBA with Brooks Point National Senior High School, represented herein by a secondary school principal for Mr. Edgar Nubia for work immersion partnership for SHS program for duration of the school year 2026-2027. The opposite second.
Any second. That resolution by Councilor Rodriguez is now approved by this August body.
Sorry. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Councilor Rodriguez.
Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretary for the Secretary to kindly delete the word I uttered, the word second.
Gano'n na mas. Please take note, Mr. Secretary.
Mr. Chair, kindly recognize Honorable Dugasan.
Councilor Dugasan.
So, a resolution strongly urging the Department of Public Works and Highways of DPWH and its respective contractor implementing infrastructure projects such as road widening and other public roads within the municipality of Brooks Point to source of all construction aggregates, field materials, and rubber exclusively from legal remedies within the municipality of Brooks Point. May I request the urgency of this project?
Councilor Dugasan requesting for the urgency of item number 6.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Hindi ba?
Hindi pa. Wala.
Next week daw, next week.
Hindi pa.
Okay,
Kasi,
kasi confirming siya.
wala pa. So, may amendments lang din ako dito sa aking ano, kasi hindi ko nalagyan yung name ng sa DPWH saka yung RS. Sa nala. Siguro, i-ano na lang sa final.
Okay. Ayos, Councilor Benedicto. Thank you, Councilor Benedito,
Kasi kung ano, repetition dito.
for your commendation para kay napakasipag na consider ng committee chair ng invite. Talaga napakasipag. Siyempre,
Gusto ko na mag-design.
Tawag. Thank you, Councilor Bugata. Talagang
Gusto ko na yung mag-design. Mag-design ako yung advice.
sa kanyang dedikasyon, sa kanyang committee. Maraming salamat, Councilor Bugata.
So,
Wait for the approval.
kasi hindi ko pa alam kung yung as a solution is only urging the Department of Agriculture and Highways remain to address and its respective contractor implementing infrastructure projects such as road widening and other public works within the municipality of Rose Point serves the construction aggregates, fill materials and gravel exclusively from legal permits within the municipality of Rose Point be approved by the act.
Thank you for the wonderful resolution, Councilor Bugata. Talagang representahan sa mga legal permits natin. That resolution is approved by this Office by this. Thank you. Approved.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, there being no more agenda for unassigned business, I move to close the item C. We are now, Mr. Chair, on item number 10, resolutions and ordinances for third reading. Are there any measures, calendar for third reading? Sa ating Secretary, Ms. Santian? None.
Yes, Councilor Nakalilaw.
This is just a clarification po. Yung appropriation ordinance po, hindi natin kasama ngayon as definitely. Yan na siya ng
Thank you, Councilor Nakalilaw, and to the Secretary Sangguniang. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair, we announce announcement na po tayo, Mr. Chair. Sa ating mga kasamahan po nag-meeting po kami nakaraan mga officers. Mark your calendar on September 14. Buong week po. PCL week po. PCL week celebration. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Ha?
14 to 18,
14 to 18 po, Mr. Chair.
may activities.
September. Yes po. Maraming sports activities na rin yung ating deputy floor. I think he was assigned as the leader sa South Team 2. Hindi pa alam eh.
Ang pwede po ako natin si Kuya Pipos na tapos sa team. Hindi po ako. Pero meron po tayong pickleball, meron po tayong volleyball.
Basketball.
Then basketball po natin. Pero yung SK daw po yung nasa
Kasali tayo? Kasali mo lahat.
Mr. Chair,
Ay, nandito po. Sa
Yan po. Yung communication letter na po from PCL, ipaano na lang po Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, there will be no more agenda for today's regular session and move for the adjournment.
Session adjourned.